Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hello bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another voiceover. Now these days I don't do these often, but every now and then I like to pop in with one, okay? So the unit that I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Reshine Hair. Shout out to you, Reshine Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. This unit is a kinky curly unit, and as you guys can see, it has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. So I am gonna bleach the knots on this unit before I do anything, and I did use my 40 volume developer and my Klarna bleaching powder. And I don't have, you know, some people say put 2 scoops here, 3 scoops here, and that, child, I don't know. I literally just mix it until it's like a toothpaste consistency, and then I put it on the lace, honey. That's it. That's all she does, okay? And then I'll let it sit on the unit in 15-minute increments. Now, I will say that I decided to wash this one out a little too early. I should have let it sit another 15 minutes, but I didn't. So even after you guys see me washing it out here, I did end up having to reapply some more bleach and letting it sit for another 15 minutes to kind of get it where I want it to be. And then I went in with my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo, and then I washed it out, and I also applied the Shimmer Lights purple purple conditioner as well, but I didn't show that, but I did do that as well. Right here, I am going to tweeze the unit. Now, I do want to mention that this unit definitely did come pre-tweeze, so shout out to you, Reshine. But I did want to tweeze it just a little bit more because I'm just kind of on that kick, okay? I'm trying to perfect certain things. Tweezing has always been something that I haven't been great at, so I'm trying to work on that. And I always like to put a little water on there and then tweeze it. So that's what I'm doing here. Even though you guys can't see it good, that's what I'm doing, girl, okay? And yeah, everything else is pretty much the same old that I always do. You guys know I love a good kinky curly unit. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys get on into this music, and I will come back later on. And well, no, I won't come back, child. I will just see you love bugs in the outro, okay? Bye.
It's not a matter. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Drugs and cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this unit, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the detailed specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Reshine Hair. Shout out to you, Reshine, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is their 22-inch, 200% density, 13x4 kinky curly unit. Now, granted, I do have this one in 22 inches, but I'm pretty sure there are other inches that old girl come in, okay? I'm just naming the stuff that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site to give you guys some more details and specs about this wig. Okay, so on their site, it says Reshine Hair, Skin Melt, Kinky Curly, Human Hair Wig, Brazilian Curly Hair, Transparent Lace Wigs for women. This unit is available in 10 to 30 inches, and as I stated, I do have it in 22 inches. This is a Kinky Curly unit, so, you know, that is like the stretched length, in my opinion. The densities that they have, okay, child, they got a lot. They got a lot available with this wig. So they do have it available in a 4x4, a 13x4, and a 13x6. And you can get it in 150% density all the way to 250% density. Now they sent me the 200% density with the 13x4, but you can choose whatever you want to choose, honey. It's your wig. Okay, so they have this unit available in transparent lace and brown lace. I have the transparent lace, thank you Jesus, hallelujah, because you know the brown lace don't like your gum. And you can get this unit in Brazilian hair, Peruvian hair, Malaysian hair, Mongolian hair, and Indian hair. Choose what you choose, sis. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this unit is a Kinky Curly unit, so I did expect some tangling. Like, it wasn't excessive, but I did get some tangling, and I did receive a little bit of shedding. It wasn't excessive, it was more so minimum, but I did get it. So I want to throw that out there so you guys know, and you can't say that your girl didn't tell you, because I told you, girl, okay? I told you. So that's that. Again, I stated that this unit is in transparent lace, and y'all, the lace was so thin. I want to go ahead and tell you guys that I had never felt any lace that felt like that. I have never. Like, it was really, really soft. I don't know. It was different. And you guys know I've gone through some wigs, honey. I've never felt anything like that. So I want to throw that out there because that was a big deal to me. It may not be a big deal to you, but it was a big deal to me. Okay, so as far as this unit being big head friendly, I don't see anything on here about the cap size or whatsoever. I do want to say that if it is an average cap size, this unit is very, 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 very big head friendly. Like, you know, usually I'll tell you guys, I only have the head that's on my shoulders and I'm an average cap size, blah, blah, blah. I always tell you guys that spiel. But with this unit, I want to say this unit is big head friendly, okay? It is very big head friendly. I adjusted the straps and it's still sort of big head friendly. And I mean, I got them things clank, clank, okay? So I want to throw it out there that it is very big head friendly. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so let's start with the cons because I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. So my cons with this unit is, is that it is extremely big head friendly, okay? That's the only con that I can think of. The wig is very big head friendly and I am an average cap size. Like, I have to throw something out there and that is like the only thing that I can think of off the top of my head, okay? It is extremely, extremely big head friendly and I am an average cap size, so it made it a little more challenging laying the unit down, but that was just me picking something, okay? I'm being picky. All right, let's get into the pros. Like, my pros are, first of all, that lace. That lace was just a different sort of lace. It is a different sort of lace, so I want to start there. That lace is freaking phenomenal, okay? Let's start there with the pros. And then it's the Kinky Curly unit. You guys know if you watch me that Kinky Curly is just like one of my favorite textures, okay? I feel like it mimics African American hair the most, in my opinion. If you can find you a good Kinky Curly unit, it may look a little extra curly now, but it's still sort of wet, but it does give that more natural feel, okay? And I love that. I love that for me, okay? Did I mention I love the lace? Like, I love the unit overall. I feel like it is a really good natural looking unit, and it is more so on the affordable side as far as getting units that are natural. As far as natural hair goes, like hair that mimics African American hair, it can be really, really expensive. So this one is more so on the affordable side, so that is also a plus. I love the density of it. I just love everything about this unit. It was really, really an easy slate. So yeah, those are my pros. Would I recommend this unit? Yes. Okay, yes I would. I would recommend this wig if you love kinky curly hair. I know some people is like, kinky curly hair can, you know, be a little bit more to manage, honey. I might as well do my own hair, blah, blah, blah. I I get it, sis, but if you're looking for a protective style that does mimic your hair and looks more realistic, then I would definitely recommend it. Honestly, y'all, I didn't even do any parting. I did the comb over method. You may see a little part somewhere in there, but it wasn't supposed to be there. But the hairline and all that stuff looks so nice. I didn't even think she needed a part, let alone baby hair. She didn't need none of the things. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. Alright, honey, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is on the left side. This is it in the back. And my little bra just all kinds of crisscross applesauce. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it as much as I'm feeling it. I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions down below. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Reshine Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all of my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm helping Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.